Why are we holding manufacturers strictly liable for hurting somebody? Again, it's liability without regard to fault. It goes back to the concept of, if you're going to put something into the stream of commerce, you're going to make a profit off selling it to a whole bunch of people, you ought to step up and take responsibility if it hurts one or two people because of a defect in the product. Usually a manufacturer is going to indemnify a retailer or someone downstream if it's their fault. But sometimes they're going to argue, hey, it wasn't our fault, it was your fault, the retailer, because you changed something, you did something different. This isn't the way it was when it left our possession. This is something you did and you should be responsible. So it really just depends on the circumstances, but usually it's the manufacturer, if it is really truly a manufacturing or design defect, who's going to bear the burden. Let's say you're dealing with a manufacturer in China, for example, that's beyond the reach of our jurisdiction here in the United States. We've seen a lot of evidence of that lately, where products have been flooding the market and they're manufactured in China. If the law was only the manufacturer was responsible, there'd be nobody to compensate injured victims for those defective products. But it's broader than that. So there's ultimately going to be someone who distributed the product or sold the product here in the United States, and that company can be held liable.